All right, we're at lesson 64, final quarter. Here we go. We have some things that we need to get done. All right, so today is kind of a preview of the whole quarter, looking at our quarter-long projects, answering questions about those, and getting you a head start. All right, so April 21st, 22nd, you have a toilet paper race car and video. All right, so that's for lesson 77. So you're going to want to go to lesson 77, and you're going to want to read these instructions right here so that you understand what's going on. You're making a toilet paper roll car. Make sure you read the instructions so you know how this goes. Next up, May 4th, you have Grasshopper Code Editor due, Healthier Me for EverFi, Sustainability Foundation for EverFi. We have two this time. And then you have your VRL this time is a how-to video. All right, attach an instruction, attach a video of instructions. So that's on lesson 81. So you're going to want to go to lesson 81. You can see all the things that are due here on May the 4th. All right, you're basically going to find a hobby that you like or something that you like. You're going to record yourself with thorough directions. There are 4 criteria for the rubric. You're going to make sure that you read those 4. All right. There'll be instructions for these along the way. And grades, pardon me, there'll be more grades for these along the way, but these are what we want to do. All right, so today, I highly recommend you start here with Healthier Me EverFi. So when you log into EverFi, you should see Endeavor should be done with a certificate. This one should be done as a certificate. Ignition should be done and have a certificate. Okay, and then you should be on Healthier Me. Now you're going to do Healthier Me and Sustainability Foundations. These two are the two that we are doing this quarter. This one they just threw in there. So you can do these two. All right. So lesson 81 is our big day. All right. Everything's going to be due May 4th ahead. Everything's going to be due May 4th ahead of the STAR test. All right. Now, in addition to all of that, in your Ed puzzle, which many of you have already seen, okay, we have 6 Ed puzzles this quarter. And in Brain Pop, we've loaded those in for you also so that you can go ahead and get started. All right. We have multiple Brain Pops that are located in there for you. So if you will get those done in advance, that would really help your grade and take a lot of burden off this last quarter.